is a lecture about man's best friend, the dog. As you can see, there are a great many varieties. There are big dogs, little dogs, long dogs, and tired dogs. In fact, if all the dogs in your neighborhood were placed end to end, they would probably reach around the world. In 1939, the Dachshund reached its peak. And then came the Russian Wolfhound. In selecting your pet, be sure that he fits your personality. See what I mean? Or if you look like this, get a dog like this. If you are of a thrifty nature, this is the hound for you. At this rate, he will pay for himself in 3 weeks. No, friends, these are not spots before your eyes, but a close view of the Dalmatian. Tiddledywinks. Now we know why he's so popular around the old firehouse. Help! Help! The noblest of all dogs is the St. Bernard. Here is one off to the rescue. You're all familiar with this dog, listening for his master's voice.
Coming, Mother.
This is an English sheepdog. You can't make head nor tail of him. There, that solves it. Another type of sheepdog is the collie. My goodness, do you mean to say you counted all those sheep?
Uh-huh.
And you got the correct answer?
Uh-huh.
How did you do it?
I counted all of their horns and divided by 2.
Here's a cute little poodle giving his all for defense. Yes, sir, he's a Yankee Doodle Poodle. When it comes to rainy weather, there is nothing like the Water Spaniel. Ah, the Bloodhound, bravest of all watchdogs. Dependable, fearless, afraid of nothing. I don't blame him for getting scared. What's the matter with you? Are you scared too?
Oh, no. I just washed my hair, and I can't do a thing with it.
The funniest looking dog is the Afghan hound. He's a cross between a mop and a feather duster. His queer features make him an outstanding hunter. Note how easily he traps his prey. You see, one look at the Afghan and the animal dies laughing. You may think a vacuum cleaner has nothing to do with dogs, but if you owned a Scottie, you'd soon find out. If it's speed you want, we give you the Greyhound. No duck hunter would be without one of these retrievers. He's truly a champion. He'll get that duck, yes, sir, and bring him back without a mark. Well, where's the duck? As you can see, we could go on talking about dogs forever. But the most popular of all dogs is the hot dog.